Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to OBS Studio and capture movies and shows. See, here I have connected this Google TV Streamer 4K device to laptop and opened in the OBS Studio. See, now I can record movies and shows. I will show you how we can set up this. See, this is the Google TV Streamer 4K device. I have connected this USB power cable. Let me connect this HDMI cable to this HDMI output port. Okay, done. This is the other end of this HDMI cable. This cable we need to connect to laptop. Here I will be using this video capture unit. This is Pibox video capture unit. Let me connect this video capture unit to this HDMI cable. Done. Then this video capture unit I am going to connect to laptop. Let me connect this video capture unit to laptop. Okay, done. Then we need to install this software, OBS Studio. You can download from here for Windows. I already installed this software. Let me open. This is a OBS Studio. Here first we need to create one source. Here you can see sources section. Click on this plus icon over here. From this list select video capture device. If you want to rename, you can rename here. Then click on OK. Then click on this device drop down. Here we need to set this USB 3.0 capture. Set it. Then select OK. Now we can see one black screen. At this point we have to take a remote and press any button. See, now we can see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in OBS Studio. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can right click here, set windowed projector preview. See, this way we can make it full screen. So next I will show you how we can record. And here on the right side you can see start recording. Click here. Now recording has been started. So now let me browse. See. So if you want to stop this recording, you can click on this stop recording. Done. If you want to see that recorded video, you can go to this path. Here you can see that recorded video. Let me play. See. So this way we can connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to laptop and OBS Studio and record movies and shows. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.